In this video, we will show you how to navigate the FlexLearn learning environment. Go to flexlearn.wou.edu.my. Enter your full WOU email address and password to log in. The mini-bar, a white toolbar at the top of the landing page, is ever-present and facilitates navigation within FlexLearn. On the right side of the mini-bar, you will discover various student-specific tools. The course selector, or the waffle button, is the first tool, listing your current semester courses. Utilize the pin icon next to courses to prioritize them at the top of the list. Courses can easily be unpinned by clicking the button again. The three alert icons next to the mini-bar are the messages, subscriptions, and updates. The messages alert informs you of new instant messages and allows you to send messages. The subscriptions alert provides quick access to new discussion posts in forums, topics, and threads you've subscribed to. The updates alert notifies you about new announcements and upcoming due dates. Clicking your name enables you to edit user-specific settings, such as your profile picture and notification preferences. Access the profile section to change your profile picture by selecting a new photo and clicking Add. If you would like to share your LinkedIn profile, type in your profile URL in the text box. Save your changes by clicking the Save and Close button. Your updated picture will appear next to your name. In the Notifications page, you can control how you receive notifications for course activities. Download the Brightspace Pulse, which is a FlexLearn mobile app for convenient access to course updates on your mobile device. To receive updates through your email, adjust the Summary of Activity and Instant Notifications settings to your preferences. Save changes before leaving the Notifications setting page. Below the mini-bar is the navbar, offering links to university-wide tools and resources. The External Online Services Links tool connects you to various services within WOU. Access the FlexLearn video guides through the Video Tutorials link. You may find answers to frequently asked questions in the FAQs section. Below the navbar are multiple widgets, including the My Courses widget on the left. The My Courses widget categorizes your courses by semester using the tab at the top. Access active courses by clicking on the Current Semester tab. Note that past semester courses are not accessible on FlexLearn. Below the My Courses widget is the Announcement widget for campus-wide and course-related announcements. On the right, find other widgets like Calendar and Resources, with additional widgets possibly enabled in the future. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exciting videos.